How to make a decorated flower pot. Very simple. All you gotta do is you have to have these items in your inventory: any type of pottery sherd, a flower pot, and a flower of your choice. I love torch flowers. They are really cool for 1.20. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna have a crafting table, and you're gonna have these pottery shards formed around like a little O, like that. You can actually have any type of pottery sherd if you like. There you go, you get yourself a decorated pot. You can actually break this with your hand to get the pot itself. You can break with a pickaxe or any type of item, or like a sword, to actually get the shards itself. You don't like the shards to be like that. Place the pot like that. And the interesting thing is that you can't place the flowers in it. So what you're gonna do, in order to place the flower in, you're gonna have the flower pot in there like that, and the torch flower in it. And that's how you make a decorated flower pot. Very simple indeed. And that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.